Hello everyone, welcome back to our PYQ series Revise to ACE, and today we are going to revise ancient history. We are going to revise ancient history with the help of these questions which were asked by UPSC in the recent exam. So something beyond standard books. Why? Because this will help us in imbibing or learning or retaining the information which we will learn, and it will give you extra edge. How it will give you extra edge? We will go through the question and then we will try to understand. Now this question was asked by UPSC in the CDS exam 2022, and the question is, Tolkappiyam is what? Is a work of grammar, is a Tamil poem in praise of Rajendra Chola, an ancient didactic work in Tamil, a drama composed by Chera King. I am sure that you must be knowing the answer. But here, अभी जब ये next time UPSC पूछेगी CSE के एग्जाम में, सिविल सर्विसेज के एग्जाम में, they will not ask such simple question. Okay, so for that reason we should know in and out about this particular literature, telling the ancient history of the time. So let's have a look. In the meantime, you let me know the answer. So from where it was asked, and definitely books में दिया होता है, books में हम पढ़ते ही पढ़ते हैं, but whenever any question UPSC is asking, there would be some context, there would be some relation behind it. अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर में देखें, खोजने की कोशिश कीजिए, न्यूज़पेपर में कहीं ना कुछ होता है उस बारे में. For example, this was the question which was asked by CDS in September-October 2022, and here we have the article from April 14, 2022, the real script behind the call for Hindi India. And in this article it was talking about some 2000 years ago, Tolkappiyam, the author of Tolkappiyam, then further it is talking about he distributed the words in four types of word. He is talking about the words from another language was different, the category was different. So that way this is talking about the categories of the words that can be distributed in four types. ठीक है, हमें उससे मतलब नहीं है, but yes, it is talking about the distribution of words in four types. Maybe UPSC can ask this in CSE examination by putting it in one of these statements. So we should know. So the poetic words, this book says 2000 years ago, Tolkappiyam is saying that the poetic words can be distributed in four types. What are those four types? Iarkol, Thirisol, Thiasikol and Vadasol. तो ये सब सॉल कॉल और सॉल आ रहा है. अगर कहीं किसी ऑप्शन में सॉल और ये कॉल मिल रहे हैं, उसको रिलेट कर लेना, दैट इन Tolkappiyam these call and souls are four types of poetic words. Of these, this Vadasol words from northern languages. So इसमें ये कहा जा रहा है कि Vadasol जो कैटेगरी है उसमें जो वर्ड्स नदर लैंग्वेजेस से हैं उनको कैटेगराइज किया गया. ठीक है, ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे, बट ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये भी वर्ड्स को भी कैटेगराइज करता है, पोएटिक वर्ड्स. ओके, व्हाट एल्स? देयर वाज अनदर आर्टिकल ऑन 17th October 2022 which is talking about Tirukkural and other Tamil literary works to be available in Braille script. तो अभी उनकी एक्सेसिबिलिटी और इंक्लूसिव हो गई. So here also it is talking about the CICT has translated the oldest Tamil literary work Tolkappiyam in English, Kannada and Hindi. Soon it will be translated into Malayalam. ठीक है. Manimegalai, one of the 5 great epics will be translated in 18 languages including Japanese. ठीक है, हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि ये न्यूज में था. Now here they are talking about Manimegalai and 5 great epics. Now your homework is to find out the details about Manimegalai, or find out the whole real homework is that you have to find out the names of the 5 great epics, why they are called 5 great epics, और उनको आप comment section में बताओ. This is how you should prepare. अलग से कोई UPSC क्वेश्चन नहीं देती है, उसका रीजन होता है, कहीं ना कहीं होगा रिलेशन उसका. That is up to us to find it out. ठीक है, so 5 great epics, I want all of you to find it out. This is very important from the ancient Indian history, and especially since here we are talking about ancient southern Indian history. So ये हो गया. This was the article on 26th of August 2022. It is saying Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi says missionaries de-spiritualized Tirukural. And Tirukural is not just code of ethics and morality, but also an epic holding wisdom of eternal spirituality. And it was said after unveiling the statue of Tiruvalluvar, ठीक है, in the national capital. Now my point is, अभी गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारा स्टैच्यू एस्टैब्लिश कर रहा है. Last year there was a statue which was established, Ramanuja ki, and his philosophy was asked. Some statue has been established. It has been unveiled. We should know about the person. We already know about Tirukural. तो कभी भी ऐसी बुक्स न्यूज में रहती हैं. This is not related to Tolkappiyam, but if there is any literary work or any person in news, we should know in and out about it, because they have played very important role, or their books, they give very important perspective about the ancient Indian history, और जिस person की भी बात करें हम, उनकी philosophy हमें पता होनी चाहिए, right? So this is a hint for you to prepare. Okay, so this is another homework for you. Now coming back to Tolkappiyam, it is the earliest Tamil grammar work which is available today. It is composed probably during the second Sangam. So there are three Sangam, first Sangam, second Sangam, third Sangam. So second Sangam के time ये prepare किया गया था. And it is the oldest Tamil text on grammar. And it is the oldest Tamil literature, 2000 years old. We have seen in the newspaper article, The Hindu. And it talks about that there was no caste, however. Classes में divide किया था based on the work, but caste नहीं था. Tolkappiyam refers to five-fold division. Now when UPSC will ask this question from civil services examination point of view, CSE point of view, they will go deeper, they will dig deeper. So first one we have seen 4 type of poetic words. Now we are seeing five-fold division of lands were done. Tolkappiyam is mentioning about it. Sangam age. Maybe the question can be during the Sangam period the lands were divided into five-fold. Division of lands were there. What were the names? So the names were these. अभी आपको टेंशन हो रही है, अभी नाम क्यों याद रखना? Easy है, थोड़ा सा देखते हैं. Tolkappiyam refers to the five-fold division of lands. One is Kurunji. अभी कुरुंजी आपने एक फ्लावर को देखा होगा, नील कुरुंजी, उससे याद रख लो. नील कुरुंजी कहां होता है? हिल्स पे होता है. सो कुरुंजी इज हिली ट्रैक्स. नील कुरुंजी से याद रखो, कुरुंजी हिली ट्रैक्स, हिली एरियाज में होता है. सेकेंड, यू रिमेंबर दिस पलाई इज डेजर्ट लैंड. आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस ज्योग्राफिकल लैंड फॉर्म्स, आपने एनसीईआरटी में पढ़ा होगा पलायाज कहां होते हैं? डेजर्ट लैंड फॉर्म है एक. सो दैट वे यू कैन कोरिलेट एंड रिमेंबर पलाई, डेजर्ट, कुरुंजी, हिली. मारुदम, एग्रीकल्चर में बहुत ज्यादा दम लगता है, बड़ी मेहनत लगती है. दम इज अ हिंदी वर्ड, मेहनत इज अ हिंदी वर्ड, मीन्स लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क इज रिक्वायर्ड, एफर्ट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, नीडेड. मारुदम, और दम निकाल देता है. कितने सारे फार्मर्स जो है सुसाइड करते रहते हैं. इससे रिलेट करके याद रख लो, इट इज सम एग्रीकल्चर लैंड. डल इज अ लेक इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Nedal is lake, Dal is lake, and it is somewhere related to coastal, so that way you can remember coastal. Now only one is left. Mullai, pastoral land. Now hilly tracks पे जो लोग रहते हैं वो क्या करेंगे? फॉरेस्ट में रहेंगे, हनी को एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So their work was there. मुल्लाई pastoral जो है वो कैटल्स को रेयर करेगा. एग्रीकल्चर तो एग्रीकल्चर ही करता है. कोस्टल एरियाज में जो रह रहा है वो फिशिंग करेगा. डेजर्ट एरियाज में जो है what they will do? So they used to do robbery. This is what this Tolkappiyam is telling. So the people living in these five-fold division had their respective chief occupation, as well as they had their own gods for worship. Like agriculture में Indra was there, right? Hilly tracts में Murugan was there. So that way there were different gods. However, we should not remember those different gods. But हाँ ठीक है, tracts को याद रख सकते हैं. Different जो five-fold divisions थे lands के वो क्या थे, right? So it is easy. Kurunji, Palai, Marudam, अगर देखना है तो थोड़ा पीछे करके देख लेना. Next, it also refers and it also talks about 4 castes. Basically, caste as such, that time it was not the caste what we are talking about today. The caste division, the division of the caste which we are talking today, it was not like that. It was based on their work. Arasar, ruling class. Athanars, they played significant role in Sangam polity and religion. Vanigars, they used to do trade and commerce. And Vilalas, they were agriculturists. तो अभी जो इनका काम है वो काम के बेसिस पे इस तरीके से 4 कास्ट या 4 डिविजन्स in people in society we can talk about. So this is how you should prepare when you are preparing any literature, especially the important literature from exam point of view. Now let's revisit the question, and especially which exam? Civil services exam. Tolkappiyam is the work of what? Now you know it is grammar. A Tamil poem in praise of Rajendra Chola, agar aapko pata hai, then you should find it out. Ancient didactic work in Tamil, you let me know. A drama composed by Chera King. So there was another Hindu article which is talking about 2 Sanskrit plays which were composed by Chera King Kulshekhara in the 10th century. Okay, and the names were Tapti Samvarana and Subhadra Dhananjayam and Tapti Samvarana. ये कुल शेखरा एक चेरा किंग थे 10th सेंचुरी में, उन्होंने ये प्ले लिखा था. तो कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है, दिस इज हाउ यू शुड डू द PYQs. You should do your reverse engineering. You should work on the options. Then you will get to know the like holistic preparation हो जाता है. Then you will get to know about these words and एक holistic preparation होता है, right? So I hope you had good learning beyond books, and you had good learning which will give you some extra edge, right? So this is how we will cover ancient India, ancient history, medieval history, and already we have covered a lot of videos, lot of PYQs. You can check our playlist and you can revise subject wise. Okay, बहुत सारे videos हैं already. This is it guys in today's video, and we will meet tomorrow with another video. Current affairs classes are going on. If you are facing problem in the current affairs, then here we are covering the current affairs of last 1.5 years from January 2022 till May 2023. Everything will be covered. Yes, there are many doubts कि सर आपका कोर्स करने के बाद न्यूज़पेपर और कंपाइलेशंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? So you can check the videos as well. We have already discussed about it in the previous videos as well. The details are given in the description box. See you guys. Enjoy. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Bye-bye.